RGB LED strip lights are increasingly popular because of their energy-saving features, ability to produce vivid colors, excellent brightness, and the luminous ability for flexibility. Great for home and office work. In addition to installing them indoors, the waterproof feature also allows you to use them outdoors. LED strips are 30 to 60 feet long. You can cut the LED strips to any length and install them for different purposes. In this video, we will help you choose the perfect RGB LED strip that meets your needs. If you want more information, don't forget to check links given in the description below. Okay, let's get into the video. Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Light Strip Plus is our first pick. It produces a payload at 1600 lumens, and you only need to work with the 6.5 feet range. Plus, it can extend up to 32 feet with a Bluetooth extender. For added convenience, you can cut the strips to the exact size you need for a blank, and they come with an adhesive for easy installation. This kit is perfect for wrapping around walls in a game room or attaching to a TV cabinet, and you'll get a single glow-in-the-dark look instead of seeing each bulb thanks to a special coating on the strip. Once you've set up your Philips Hue strip anywhere you want, you can control the lights from your smartphone or other smart home assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit via Bluetooth. There are also multiple light color options to choose from. You can choose for a more muted look with a variety of white light, including warm white, orange, and crisp white, or RGB lighting for a bit of excitement. You can even expand your lighting setup with compatible bulbs, light switches, and more for an expansive smart home setup. This makes it easy to turn on the lights from anywhere, adjust them to suit your mood, or synchronize them with your music or games. At number 2, Wyze Light Strip. If you are looking for a super affordable light strip with versatility and control, the Wyze Light Strip is the answer. This option lets you automatically adjust the color temperature based on the time of day, and has a built-in microphone to sync with your music. Furthermore, you can group bands and control them through the app. Installation of it is easy with the adhesive and clamps included in the kit. You can even trim it to get the exact length you need for your desired placement. And finishing setup is simple via the Wyze app, so you'll soon be able to experiment with adjustable RGB and white colors. It also comes with a Wi-Fi controller, allowing you to adjust the lighting whether you're at home or away, and is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to adjust frequency bands using your voice. Sometimes you just want to decorate your gaming PC with some gorgeous lights, and the Corsair iCUE kit is a surefire way to do that. With 4 light strips, a Lightning Node Pro RGB controller, and iCUE software, you're free to adjust and change the color of each of the 40 individual LEDs. This means you have a lot of freedom and creativity in how your PC looks. And if you want a brighter setup, you can add up to 12 individually addressable RGB LED strips for the 2 channels of RGB lighting included with this kit. It is easy to set up and use. Features a built-in magnet to attach to your carrying case and offers an easy mounting option. A USB 2.0 port that plugs directly into your motherboard to light up. Once started, the iCUE software has a ton of effects, animations, and presets to choose from, making everything easy and beautiful. You can even sync the lights with your Corsair gaming keyboard, PC fan, or other peripherals, allowing all your lights to react to what you're doing and create an incredibly vibrant environment. Dynamic. Elgato Light Strip is at number 4. This is designed with game streaming lovers in mind, as it amplifies the look and feels of your stream, making your stream more appealing to viewers. When connected to an Elgato Live Deck, you have an easy-to-use central control to change your lighting setup to match the mood of what you're doing or sync it with action in your game. In addition to the Live Deck, you can always make changes on your PC or phone. At over 6.5 feet long and expandable up to 32 feet, it provides 2,000 lumens of light in full white and RGB. It's also ultra-thin, cut to size, and comes with super adhesives, making it perfect for fitting in tight places. And if you're worried about annoying flickering during live streaming, these flicker-free LEDs will give you smooth footage. At number 5, Maxonar Wi-Fi-enabled LED strip lights. Most LED strips are too short to cover your entire room in a warm glow. That's where the Maxonar Wi-Fi kit comes in. It has a 32.8 feet reel with an impressive 600 total LEDs, double what many competing brands have. This makes this choice perfect for covering a lot of space, like a bedroom or living room. Installation is a breeze as it comes with a complete set of DIY accessories to cut, connect and extend these strips to fit your space. Once set up, these bands are Wi-Fi enabled and smart home ready, which means they will work with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and online systems. It makes changing colors or modes simple and has millions of color options to set the mood of your space. Plus, with an IP65 rating, you can place these lights on your patio or covered patio to add some fun to your outdoor living space. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then give us thumbs up and subscribe to us for more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.